Dear viewers, welcome to our channel GVS Bank Academy. Now I am going to discuss about CAIB Advanced Bank Management case study on IBC code 2016, Insolvency and Bankruptcy code 2016. This IBC code is very important for JAIIB Principle and Practice of Banking, JAIIB Legal and Regulatory Aspect of Banking, CAIB BFM also this is important, and ABM is also, and all promotional exam also this is. This case study they had given in December 2018 for 5 marks that we are going to discuss. Now, Insolvency Bankruptcy Code 2016, secured creditors distribution of assets they had asked question in December 2018, 5 marks question. Now before that we are going to discuss some major important point, then we will discuss this. IBC code implemented in India with effective from 1st October 2016. This question was also they asked sometime. IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code implemented in India with effect from 1st October 2016. Objective of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code is resolution of stressed assets. Resolution of stressed assets, if needed, including mergers of the companies or organizations. That is called objective, resolution of stressed assets, including mergers. Here stressed assets means SMA 0, SMA 1, SMA 2 plus NP advances and remaining all advances also will come. Adjudicating authority for companies and LLPs. Adjudicating means deciding, resolving authority for company cases and limited liability partnership cases. That is National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. Sometimes they are asking abbreviation, NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. Adjudicating authority for individual and partnership firm, DRT, Debt Recovery Tribunal. This was not notified by the Government of India so far. Adjudicating authority for individuals and partnership firm not notified as of date. Who will refer the cases to NCLT? When there is a default in the loans accounts of companies and LLPs, who will refer the cases to NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal? Financial creditors. Financial creditors means banks and financial institutions who had given credit facility to the companies. That is called financial creditors. Operational creditors, suppliers of raw material, suppliers of various goods and services, supplier of various services, all comes under operational creditors, suppliers. Then corporate debtor, the defaulting company also can take up the matter with NCLT with the consent of 75% of shareholders approval. When if the corporate debtor means the defaulting company want to refer the cases to NCLT, 75% of shareholders approval is required. This is this. What is the minimum amount of default for companies and LLPs to refer the cases to NCLT? What is the amount of default required for referring the cases to NCLT in the case of companies and limited liability partnerships? 1 crore. 1 crore with effective from 24/3/2020, 1 crore default. The CAIRP, Corporate Insolvency Resolution Process, to be mandatorily wrapped up, completed within. From the date of acceptance of the application by the NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal, under CAIRP, the entire CAIRP process has to be completed within maximum. Normally, first they will give time 180 days. If the CAIRP has not completed within 180 days, it may be extended by further 90 days with the consent of financial creditors. Even during this 90 days, the resolution process has not been completed because of any court delays and other delays. They will give one more last extension, that is 60 days. So initially they will give 180 days plus 90 days and 60 days. 90 days one extension and the last extension 60. Total 330 days. the entire resolution process has to be completed within 330 days. 180 plus 90 plus 60. For the approval of the resolution plan under the CAIIB, Corporate Insolvency Resolution Plan process, the approval of the plan with the consent of 66% of bankers, 66% of committee of creditors. The approval of the CAIIB with the consent of 66% of committee of creditors means financial creditors is required. So for approval of this committee of creditors means bankers and financial institutions consent is required 66%. If 66% consent is not there, the company will enter into liquidation. In the resolution process CAIIB, if 66% of bankers are not agreeing, committee of creditors, then the company will go to liquidation. So these are the some questions which are asking in the examination. In JAIIB, CAIIB and promotional examination also, these are the questions. Now the question regarding the secured creditor. The secured creditor means a bank which is having securities of the borrower for his loan. Otherwise, at the time of sanctioning the credit facilities, the banker had taken mortgage of parties' borrower securities, hypothecation of securities, that will come secured creditor. A bank with secured creditor is called secured creditor. In the process of liquidation of the company, he is having two options. A secured creditor is having, at the time of liquidation, he is having two options. Option A, under option A, the secured creditor will relinquish its security. So he is going to lose its security to the liquidation estate. Means he will surrender his security to the liquidator in the liquidation estate and receive profits from the sale of the assets from the liquidator. So instead of directly going for sale, the security creditor under option A is relinquish means he is surrendering its security toward the liquidator in the liquidation process, and proportionately he is receiving the process from the sale of assets under liquidation. This is under section 53. This question they had asked, 5 marks question. Now second option is there, without relinquished security by the secured creditor, the secured creditor, the banker, can realize its security directly by selling into auction. So there are two options are there for the secured creditor. One, he can go along with the liquidation process along with the liquidator. Otherwise, separately the secured creditor can realize its security by selling in the market in the manner specified under section 52. This IBC code section 52 and 53. Now the question is given under 53. Now we are going to see. Now as per Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, order of priority of distribution of assets. What is the order? What is the liquidation distribution flow in the case of distribution of assets in liquidation of the company? As per section 53 of the IBC code, that is called waterfall mechanism. Means distribution of money under liquidation, that is called waterfall mechanism. Now first from the liquidation, priority of distribution of assets. Now first point, during the process of liquidation, during the process of insolvency resolution process, means that is 330 days, and liquidation process cost incurred by the liquidator. So insolvency resolution process cost and liquidation process cost, full payment has to be made. From the realization of distribution of assets, first priority is whatever the insolvency resolution process cost and liquidation process cost, they have to pay fully without any sacrifice. That is number. From the amount of funds available after sale of the liquidation assets, first priority payment is insolvency resolution process cost and liquidation process cost. Full payment they have to make from this process. Number 2, Second point, very, very important for this question they had asked. Shall rank equally. Second point, the amount shall rank equally between and among. The shall rank equally between and among workmen dues, workers' salary. Workmen dues means worker salary for the period of up to 24 months preceding the liquidation commencement date. Prior to the commencement date, workers' dues are there that we can take into consideration up to 24 months. That is one point. Then debts owed to a secured creditor. Whatever the outstanding dues are there on the date of CAIIB, that is the secured creditor dues. Debts owed to a secured creditor has relinquished his security. The secured creditor who has relinquished his security to the liquidator in the manner set out in security section 52. It means the secured creditor who has participated in the liquidation by surrendering his right to the liquidator. So he can get, both will get, shall rank equally between and among workers' dues 24 months and secured creditors outstanding dues equally between among them. This is the second point. Second point. So first point, liquidation process cost plus insolvency process cost, full payment they have to make. Then afterwards, any surplus is there, that is going to be point number 2, shall rank equally between among worker dues up to 24 months and secured creditors outstanding dues. That is the second point. After that second point, second stage, any surplus is, after this second point, any surplus is there available for distribution, that will go to third stage. Other employee salaries, other employee dues up to 12 months. When this case will arise, after distribution of liquidation amount under 2, point number 2, any surplus is there, it will come to point number 3, that is other employee salaries and dues. The second stage, the workers and the secured creditor, they are not getting fully. So from third stage onwards, they are not going to get anything. So that after distribution of assets under second stage, any surplus is there, that will go to third stage, that is other employee salaries and dues, 12 months. After completion of 1, 2, 3, first stage, first point, second point, third point, any surplus is there for distribution, that will go to financial debts owed to unsecured creditors. Means the banks who had given loan without any security, that is the fourth stage. Fourth stage. So after completion of third stage, third point, any surplus is there, it will be available for the fourth, that is unsecured financial creditors. Even after distribution of to the unsecured financial creditors, any surplus is there, that will go to fifth point, that is central government dues, state government dues up to 24 months or 2 years. So after completion of full distribution up to stage 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, any surplus is there, it will come to central government, state government dues 2 years. Sixth, after completion of full payment up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any surplus is there, that remaining amount, any remaining amount dues to operational creditor and employees claims for more than 12 months dues are there, that is going to be distributed under sixth point. So after full payment of up to 1 to 5, any surplus is there, then only this sixth, operational creditors and employees. Seventh, after completion of full payment 1 to 7, any surplus is there, the preference shareholders will get the amount. Preference shareholders. After payment of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any surplus is there, lastly the equity shareholders will get. Lastly the equity shareholders will get. So this is the waterfall mechanism, distribution mechanism from the realization of liquidation of the company process. But from implementation of this code 2016 onwards, this the flow is going to be stopped here itself, second point itself. The workers dues, they are not getting fully up to 24 months. The secured creditors are also, they are not getting fully under IBC code implementation from 1st October 2016. On an average, the secured creditors are getting 20% to 40% of their dues. So it means that from third to eighth stages, people are not going to get nothing under this mechanism. As per available record, as per available 2016 onwards, based on practical case studies, this is. So this is the distribution of mechanism. This question they had asked. Now we are going to see one small case study example. Liquidation of assets, secured creditor portion. What is there? Example. This is the example. Please note down. This is not a actual exam question. This is the example. Amount realized from the sale of assets under liquidation. Under liquidation of a company assets, realization amount taken place 10 crores. Realization is 10 crores. Liquidation expenditures, liquidation expenditure, CAIIB expenditure is there 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs. Total realized amount is 10 crores from the liquidation of company assets. Out of that, CAIIB and liquidation expenditures are there 50 lakhs. Now, remaining balance available for distribution after payment of 100% of liquidation expenditure, that is 50 lakhs. 10 crores minus 50 lakhs. The remaining balance available for distribution is 9 crores 50 lakh rupees. 9 crores 50 lakhs rupees. The liquidation company is having outstanding dues to secured creditors. Outstanding dues 20 crores. This company is having liquidation company outstanding dues to the secured creditors bankers 20 crores rupees. And fifth point, workmen dues for the period of up to 24 months. Prior to date of commencement of this CAIIB, 24 months workers dues are there. That is 50 lakhs. That is 50 lakhs arrears of their salary. These are the dues of the liquidation company. Other employees' salaries and dues up to 12 months also 15 lakhs is there. Other employees' salaries dues up to 12 months 15 lakhs is there. And financial debts owed to unsecured creditors means unsecured bankers loans 5 crores is there. Example, this is example. This is the outstanding dues of the liquidated company. What is there? They have taken loan from bankers against security 20 crores outstanding is there. Workers dues outstanding for preceding 24 months 50 lakhs is there. Other employees salaries 12 months outstanding 15 lakhs. Financial debts owed to unsecured creditors means taken loan without security or bankers given loan without security unsecured 5 crores. This is the, now the 9 crores 50 lakhs you have to distribute as per that mechanism. So even secured creditors dues are 20 crores. Workmen dues are 50 lakhs means other employees are not going to get anything and financial debts owed to unsecured creditors, they are not going to get anything because even the secured creditors and workers are not getting fully. 20 lakhs secured creditors, workers 50 lakhs. 20 crores 50 lakhs is the dues, priority dues. The 9 crores 50 lakhs is going to be distributed among secured creditors and workmen dues. Now how we are going to see? 20 crores, we have to prepare a 20 crores is to 50 lakhs. 20 crores is the secured creditors, 20 crores and worker salary 50 lakhs. So calculate the ratio 40:1. So means secured creditors are 40 times these workers will get 1 time. So total this is the ratio equally shall rank equally and means this is the ratio calculation. So 20 crores to the financial creditor secured, workers dues 50 lakhs, that is the ratio 40:1. So the 9 crores 50 lakhs is going to be distributed in this ratio. The available amount for distribution 9 crores 50 lakhs. Banks secured creditors, how much they will get from this 9 crores 50 lakhs? 9 crores 50 lakhs, 9 crores 50 lakhs into 40, this is the 40. This is the secured creditor divided by 41. 40 plus 1, 41. Out of 41 shares, 40% of the will go to secured creditors. That is the meaning. Total 41% to 41. Out of 41, 40% of the amount will go to this secured creditors. 9,50,000 into 40 divided by 41. The secured creditors will get 9 crores 26 lakhs 82,927. So out of 20 crores, the secured creditors are getting only 9 crores 26 lakhs 82,927. How we are going to calculate? 20 crores is the secured creditors, worker dues 50 lakhs. Then we are calculated ratio 40 is to 1. Then this 9 crores 50 lakhs we are sharing in this ratio. Bank secured creditors, amount will go to bank secured creditors. 9 crore 50 lakhs into 40 divided by 41. So 9 crore 26 lakhs 82,927 secured creditors will get under this waterfall mechanism in the liquidation of assets. The workmen dues outstanding, now workers will get 9 crores 50 lakhs into 1. 1 because their share is only 1. 1 by 41. Out of 41, their share is 1. So 9 crore 50 lakhs into 1 divided by 41. 23 lakhs 17,073. So workers are going to get 23 lakhs 17,073 against 50 lakhs. Against 50 lakhs their salary dues outstanding, they are going to get 23 lakhs 17,073. The secured creditors outstanding is 20 lakhs, 20 crores. Against 20 crores, they are going to get 9 crores 26 lakhs 82,927. What is the loss to the, what is the percentage of recovery to the secured creditor under this waterfall mechanism? 9 crores 26 lakhs 82,927 divided by 20 crores, they reduce into 100. So they are getting an average recovery of 46%. 46.34% they are getting their dues. What is the loss to the secured creditor, or what is the haircut in this case? 53.66. Means this is a loss to the, in this case 53.66% of outstanding amount is lost to the secured creditors. We are having secured also. It means that in this analysis other employees are not going to get and financial debts to unsecured, because in this case itself, second stage itself, the water flow is going to be stopped. That is shall rank equally between among workman dues for the period of 24 months preceding the liquidation and debts owed to secured creditor. So it means that the secured creditors are not getting fully. When the secured creditors are not getting fully, there is no question of getting other employees and financial debts owed to secured creditors. After that, all are going to lose their entire amount. This question they are asking. Same type of this type of question they are asking in JAIIB, CAIIB and promotional exam also. Thank you very much, viewers, for extending your support, wholehearted support for us. Thank you very much.